I need to do this as an overload. These three liquids, this apple fab, mandarin fab, and pine fab. Let's see how they smell with it. It better not mess it up either. Cause that just smells so good. See, you working overtime trying to mod in 2 places. Can you do 4 cans on a G-Bow? Was losing, I'm gonna stick beside him, baby. I don't care about my team being. Win, lose, or draw, it's Philly Nation. Can y'all see the squeezes? Nope, y'all sure the fuck can't. Let me lean up. Except me, B. Except me. Yes, this is tea. I ain't even sold out. The sellout queen is Hilda, baby. That's big motion over there, honey. I squeeze next now, not flinches. Bree, please. Who neck you squeezing? Put a name on it. Who neck you squeezing, Bree? I like Vegas too. It's a good time. I feel like I need to slide this pool over. But I feel like we here now. Whoop-de-doo. Bree, who neck you squeezing? Okay, y'all, braids or faux locks? Where you going? Thank you, Lanita. Lanita, you're gonna have $4 left over. What would you like? My forehead, what? Belize. Faux locks. It's gonna get very international. Okay, period.
You want to hear that sacrifice?
Who getting a pixie? Bree, don't nobody, I mean, B, don't nobody wear no damn 27 piece. Now you taking it too far. Nobody getting no damn 27 piece.
Well, the one is still on.
Can I get a refill? Huh? Oh, thank you. Bree said, what up, cheese?
Work.
He said, work? Shit.
See, I walk in here, she got there. Want me to play out there, Mr. Clean.
Sure do, thank you.
Yeah, real nigga like we say about another vacation.
She about to go to Belize.
Damn.
She the definition of fucking we ball.
Her passport got me. Damn, don't it?
Supposed to be outside.
Give it here. Give it. I'll get one. I'm both. One of the powerful one, the Africans made some powerful black hair.
Yes, you snitching because he didn't even know that.
Uh-oh. I don't want to. Don't even let me know. Because it's just a fucking headache. I don't want to.
Yes, you snitching.
I'm not reading and not planning on it.
They said every woman needs a Mr. Clean.
Every man needs to do. If we're going to go there, I'm going to go there.
Every man need a throat goat.
Talk about what man needs.
Bree said to tell you all of us going to the Dominican Republic in May for her birthday.
I ain't the word. Motherfucker, you missing it out there? Yeah, we gotta go deep, because damn. I remember how you let you track with your straps, you gotta check it in too. Yeah, we gotta take the goddamn.
Hey.
You gotta get there and get the passports.
Okay, G.
I'm trying to step across the water. I'm just getting a plane, make it work. Not here for the state. Fuck all that. We drive.
Sammy definitely going missing in DR. Yes, he what?
That's one of the places where I think they do have to missing like no real no bullshit. No.
Station said, hey, Queen Talk Dad.
On the clock. Well, I'm coming out every time I do you.
He said he on the clock. What y'all
I'm trying to come out in the front. I hate to ride it up.
He said, what y'all getting him for Father's Day?
Don't say no combo because they say no word.
Bree said, laugh my ass off, they gonna think she belong there. Right, they gonna be walking up to me speaking Spanish. I'm just like, baby, I have no idea. No hablamos. They said they gonna let you clean this stuff.
Return to sender.
They said a sponge.
Got too many.
He said no thank you. He said thanks but no thanks.
Cause I need none of this collection she got. Nope.
Too bad. I'm Queen Talker of the month. I'm about to get some new ones.
That's it.
Yes, he said they're gonna give you a break from them. A break from Clean Talk.
Woo. Best thing I heard all night.
Don't clap like that. Don't clap like that.
You a headache at this.
That's why you gonna clean this food out by yourself tomorrow.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah, said, what am I getting you, a throat session?
Now you're silent, they go that bullshit. That's exactly what I mean.
Wait, the
Every
food feel
time.
like,
If I get silent
the
on her
food
like
feel like
that,
it's bending.
yeah, it's something you need to do. Bend.
Excuse me?
If you ask food is on the table.
Do it like it's bending on this side? Okay. Now if it go down, you on your own. I'm talking about my side.
Exactly. So that means I should just counted the weight on it and made it tip over. It didn't. So usually this. I'm looking at it though.
They said they gonna get you a bottle of Don. He don't drink Don. He drink Hen Dog because he a big dog like me.
I want to tell you, I do want to try the Shea 48. Oh yeah, I gotta find it. Probably with the state line. Because they ain't the ABC stuff.
Y'all don't entertain him. Please do not entertain him. He was here to do one job and one job only.
Oh, so he must be trying to tell you something you need to do.
No, they laughing in the chat. You can see the comments on my phone.
I don't want to read it.
Why you don't want to read them?
Like you said, we tell certain stuff, but you don't know, don't hurt you.
Hennessy is insane. Bree, don't act like you don't know. If y'all come to my house, you drinking Hennessy. If this food go down, just know I'm about to end the live. Like y'all see me jump up and end the live, know the food collapsed. Thank y'all for rocking with me tonight. I'm so grateful. I guess since we got a little 1-2 left over, we can get back on tomorrow. Maybe I'll pick up some more liquids. But I think we cool on powder. I'm gonna save those. Why do we? Oh hell, my phone died. I can't see the comments right now, y'all, but I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze. What is, hold on, I can't read the comments yet. I'm about to ask questions and I can't even see the answers. So what? I fell in love. At this point, it ain't even no need to wear gloves. Damn. These sponges done got tied. You better cook and clean and wash everything. Smell and grin. Hand my man a pen so he can write that check, paying all of your bills. And you give it to him and say, woo woo, how does that feel? Why are you sleeping in that shirt? Go change your shirt. You going to bed? I have to move to the other side, y'all. Oh, dang, I should have told Princess to bring me a charger while she was just out here. This is the first time in a long time I done had my hands in these chemicals and they ain't get the burning. Maybe I'm building up a little immunity at this point because, baby, my hands just get ate down. Ooh, that tried to get my eye. Hinge again. You thought you had me, but you didn't.